What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today is Monday and I'm starting a whole new video. You already watched the two new videos I dropped last week or any other video that's on my page. Go check them out. This video is going to be short and simple, and this going to be a breakfast video. I'm making breakfast pancakes, tacos. You'll need one couple simple ingredients, something fast and something quick. We is going to get started. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell to let you know when I'm dropping another video. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. And if you're not new here, welcome back to a whole new video. What I have here, we have the milk. We're going to use the Reese's spread to put on the pancakes. We got one banana, and we got strawberries. We're only going to use a couple of these, and I'm going to use half of these. And we're going to get started. Let's go. I already washed them off camera, so I already washed the strawberries off camera. So what we're going to do here is cut the little part off right here. How y'all doing on this Monday? Is y'all kids out of school yet for summer vacation? My daughter been out of school since April the 20 since May the 23rd. And she will be going to the 11th grade. Drop down in the comments on what grade your kids going to the next grade. What grade is your kids? My bad, y'all. I'm stumbling this morning. What grade is your kids going to for this coming school year? I do only have one child, and she's the only one. And congratulations to all the seniors who be who is going to the 12th grade and the ones who graduated this year. So congratulations, you guys. Y'all did y'all big one. I know I told my daughter I want her with a career by the time she leave my house. I want her to have a career. Yes, you guys. I told her I want her to be better than me, and I told her she have to have a career. I know a requirement that a requirement the requirement for my daughter school they have before all the 12th graders, you have to be taking up a trade, or you have to take up you have to get accepted to any college just to graduate. I think that's a good idea. Have them to do something. I telling my daughter, you don't have to go to college. Just take up a trade. I know she said she wants to be a veterinarian, so this year I'm going to be checking out probably like the college up here to see do they have something dealing with veterinarian, so she can be in it, so she can start doing what she loves to do. I think this one was it, you guys. I am going to be right back. Okay, Becky got. Yeah, the pancake I got. You gotta have eggs and you gotta have milk. So I'm gonna put a little thing, very little milk. Cause I like. Sometimes I tend to put too much milk. That should be enough. Enough milk. Let's see. I do the same thing with the cornbread. Put two. I put too much milk and a lot of cornbread, so it make it soupy. So I would have to put more cornbread mix to make it thicker. I already got the stove on. I made it just right. Surprising you guys. Now we're going to turn it this way. I'm gonna put my pancakes on here, and I need to open this thing of butter. Alright, you guys. All I need is like a little bit small pancakes so I can put in the little tacos so I can just fold it. So I'm just only making 3 tacos. So I'm really not a breakfast person. Let me fix this, you guys. Think that should be better. You want that to stay for a little bit and then we're gonna flip it. I'm going to be back once I get ready to flip it. Okay, I'm back. I had to put up the rest of the stuff. Let's look at how my pancakes, guys. Oh yeah, I got it. I flipped it. It's perfect. That's how I want it. This is how I want my pancake. Nice and fluffy. So I know to make my pancakes real big when I put it in the the big frying pot. See what y'all think. Y'all think it's done? Y'all let me know in the comments. No, it's not done yet. Cause it still got some more stuff in here. A little bit more, then I'm gonna switch it out and make put another one inside the pot. I have exciting videos that's coming up, you guys. I'm trying to do another thing, like dropping 2 videos every week. Every week I'm dropping two videos. Yeah, I'm going to be dropping 2 videos every week. Every week I'm dropping 2 videos. So the video I'm doing now, it's not gonna be posted this week. It's going to be posted next week. So this week, I already have two videos that's already going to be posted already on my page. So the type of videos like this, if I'm trying something new, it would be in my playlist. And you click on my playlist, it's gonna say food review. So you're going to check. You're going to look on there and watch all the videos that are already posted. I made the spicy bowl. I did the no bake cheesecake. No bake cheesecake. I got that on there. I have the 2 videos that posted already. If you seen the video from this week, last week, I watched those 2 videos. Those videos when I made the Kool-Aid pineapples and the hot honey buffalo chicken and mac. So y'all going to check that out. It's very exciting. You guys, I'm going to pause the video one more time so this video won't be long. Okay, now we're back. Now we're going to put the peanut butter spread on the pancakes. You could use any spread. You must use Centella. That one just broke. Oh well. I gotta get a new plate, you guys. Hold on. I really don't eat whipped cream like that, but for this video, I will. And here you go. Here comes the final look. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.